Let's use Digi Connect IT and Digi Remote Manager for out-of-band management. First, log in to Digi Remote Manager. Next, click on the Connect IT 16 that we're using for this demonstration. Before you click on the Console tab, you can see here that the connection type is Ethernet. This is the primary IP for the device that will be used whenever it's available. Click the Console tab. You can see here there is now access to 16 serial ports plus a USB port that we've converted to support serial communication. Under Select Access, type 1 and enter. In this example, it takes me into a router. Once you enable and enter your password, you can ask to show inventory. Here I will simulate a failure on the Ethernet link so that we can see how automatic failover via SureLink to cellular works. Simply go back to the devices. Click on the Digi Connect IT. To simulate a failover, we unplugged the network cable. As you can see, it thinks that we're on our primary connection. Once you do a refresh, it has recognized that there's a failure, and our connection type is now cellular, and our IP address has changed. Click on Console, and this is now simulating a failover. However, you are still able to go to the console, go to port 1, enable, log back in, show inventory, and you're at the same network switch where we connected before. Use the same process of exiting and go back to the main menu. The SureLink process I mentioned earlier helped to recognize a failover, and now recognize that we're back to our primary connection. We see that the connection type has switched back to Ethernet, and the IP has changed back the static IP that the device had before. And if I click Console, we will see the menu started its new session and the menu is back. Please note that depending on your time of recognition and recovery from a failover to a failback, this process of failing back to the primary Ethernet connection can take up to 60 seconds. Check out our other videos for more helpful tutorials. Have questions? Contact a Digi expert today.